test number 19 and test number 24 will prove that our delete for question system works perfectly. So we'll go to our program, run the program, which was the administration and delete question, put the correct key, and we're going to select B. So at the end of the test, and B is here, and click on B, click delete, and the question is deleted. We can verify that by going simply down. Here we can see that on question ID number 42, B is there, but if we now click again on question 42, there's nothing. Question 42. And for test number 24, we're going to select no values. Therefore, to prove that when we select no values, the delete system won't work. So we didn't click anything. I'm going to click on delete, and the system is saying that no element is deleted.